Well, if you're like me and you like to travel, and sometimes you travel a little long, you want to take a little thing off the road, get a nice place to stay. We've stayed in a lot of places, but I am out here at Village Green in Cottage Grove. Again, I'm with Ty, who happens to be the groundskeeper and head of all those people that help you make it look beautiful. And I have to say that pulling in here, getting one of the rooms, first of all, the rooms are charming, and then if you love plants, there's these amazing gardens. So tell me, how have things been going here? Because it looks stunning.
Absolutely. We have a very, very mature landscape around here. And if you are interested in all things flora and you need a place to stay, this is definitely a wonderful place. We have over 15 specialty gardens out here and 10 acres to wander around in and get lost. And it's beautiful. It is beautiful.
And I love that so many of the cottages, the rooms here, actually all have their own little private garden on them, so you can step outside and be in some privacy of your own space.
Yeah, absolutely. It's very nice.
And then tell me a little bit too about the wedding garden, because we filmed there right from the beginning of it when it was started, and it's just lovely now.
Absolutely. The wedding garden obviously holds many weddings throughout the summer. We also call part of it the courtyard. It's one of our more formalized spaces out here at Village Green, and yeah, it's just wonderful. You know, it holds a lot of events, and it's adjoined by many rooms and the lounge.
And I do remember, I'm pretty sure it was right after you got hired for this job, we came down here after a horrid winter weather storm.
Oh my goodness.
And tell me about that, because really I cannot see the effects of it any longer.
Yeah, it was about 2 days a week for a month, and then a day a week after that for a long time, just with saw chaps and chainsaws and tractors and ripping and tearing, and by gosh, we got it taken care of. But that's just adventures in gardening, you know. Just keep moving forward.
Okay, so you've had some years here now. Tell me just a couple of the places, a couple of the gardens that you really enjoy.
I really enjoy, one would be the pool area. We've got a lot of hardy bananas out there, and it's just like the way that it's been set up and designed is very nice. The Tropicana garden is absolutely wonderful. The mahogany garden during the fall time is absolutely spectacular. And one kind of weird spot would be the Twilight Garden, which is actually inside of a very large skip laurel.
Really?
Which seems kind of crazy, but you know, it's kind of a nice spot out there, as well as the labyrinth. I think that's pretty charming and unique.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. You know, if you're ever down in the Eugene area or south of there, we would encourage you to come by and spend a wonderful evening or a weekend here at Village Green. So all you have to do is go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the website that'll let you enjoy a beautiful room in a beautiful garden. Thank you a lot, Ty.
Thank you.